Have you ever felt like you are missing out on your family time? Or how many times you thought, I want more freedom and more happiness in my life? I know life can be very busy, and that's why I want to say thank you so much for staying here with me and watching this video. By the end of this video, you will have a chance to sign up for free training, how to start an online business. The same training which opened my mind on so many opportunities, including how to make passive income. This digital marketing platform and online coaching business model helped me to quit my job and go from long hours in the office to traveling and having more time for my family and things I love. As a former accountant, as you can imagine, I used to have so many deadlines, long meetings, long hours in the office, and after all of it, long commuting. And one day I was driving back home and we all stuck in the traffic. And I looked around, and what I saw, that all drivers were rushing home, being tired, worn out, and depressed. Does this sound familiar? Because this was my wake-up call, and in that moment I thought to myself, is this going to be my life for the next 20-30 years? I knew I need to change something, and I knew there must be something else. I didn't wait long, and I came across a digital marketing platform and online coaching business system which changed my life. Within a year, I managed to build my online business, and also I learned how to make passive income beside my daily job. Last year, I managed to quit my job, and since then I've been traveling. Actually, I'm shooting this video from Bali. People often underestimate how much they can achieve within a year. The year will come anyway, so will you change anything, or will you be in the same situation in 1 year time? It doesn't matter what age you are. It doesn't matter what background or skills you have. We have members in our community in any age from 20s to 70. We have members with different background, and they are from different places in the world. But what really matters, if you are ready for the change for yourself and for your family, if you are willing to learn new skills, and if you are ready to follow step-by-step process consistently. If the answer is yes, this could be for you. If you are ready to take a massive action on your life, and if that sounds good for you, click the link on this video somewhere here, enter your name and email address, and I will be sending you the video series. My name is Carolina, and I am one of 4 co-founders of Create Your Way of Life. And we cannot wait to see you on the other side. All the best, and bye for now.